Welcome to Solar Factory. We are South's factory of compact solar water heater. Our compact solar water heater is packed with highlights: DDoS, high efficiency coating, 95% absorption ratio, and 60% higher heat collection efficiency than vacuum tubes. Enamel stainless steel inner tanks available. Bracket angles from 0 to 45 degrees. Adaptable to various roof types. Modular design for easy installation and transportation, covering capacities from 150 liters to 300 liters. Tempered textured glass for durability. Withstand a 1 kilogram steel ball dropped from 0.5 meters and also reduce reflection and improves efficiency. The principle is super simple. Sunlight absorbs to heat the medium, which circulates the heat to the pressurized water tank, providing a stable supply of hot water.